What if I told you that the griddle you're about to buy could be the difference between a perfect smash burger and a total disaster? In 2026, the flat-top grill game has completely changed. I've spent weeks testing dozens of griddles, from electric to propane, indoor to outdoor. And trust me, most of them failed. But five griddles stood above the rest. Stay tuned. Number 1. Ninja Sizzle. The Ninja Sizzle proves that griddles aren't just good for breakfast. Essentially an indoor grill, the Sizzle features interchangeable griddle and grill plates, making it a pleasure to cook everything from omelets to a thick-cut ribeye. The lid integrates a special grate cover to help dissipate smoke when searing meats at a high temperature, allowing you the satisfaction of grilling indoors year-round. The Sizzle is no slouch when it comes to breakfast foods either. It has some of the best measured temperature consistency, a great grease trap, and effortless and durable nonstick that helps you turn out restaurant-quality breakfasts. There's also an easy temperature guide along the bottom of the griddle to advise you on the proper cooking temperature for a wide range of foods, from pancakes to fish fillets. Despite all of its strengths, some aspects of the Ninja Sizzle render it slightly less optimal for those looking for a more traditional flat-top griddle. Although we found it sufficient, it has a bit less cooking space than some other purpose-built, open-top griddles in the lineup, like the Presto Tilt and Drain. With its interchangeable plates and large lid, the Sizzle can be tricky to store when your cabinet space is limited. It's pricier than most other traditional griddles, and if you're just looking to whip up breakfast foods, a simpler model with a lower price tag like the Dash Everyday Griddle will perhaps satisfy your needs. However, if you want your griddle to work harder and do more than breakfast, the Sizzle is a standout choice. Number 2. Presto Ceramic 22-inch Electric. The Presto Ceramic 22-inch is a sturdy electric model with a large cooking surface that's easy to use, all for a reasonable price. The handles are easy to remove, which is great because that helps save space on my counter and when I need to store it away, our tester remarked. This griddle scored high marks for its even heat distribution and consistent results. The temperature control covers a wide range of cooking, suitable for everything from sunny-side-up eggs to searing pork chops. While we didn't find many faults with this griddle, we didn't love the textured nonstick surface, which results in more challenging scrambling and, occasionally, food left behind. Additionally, this is a fairly large appliance and may not be appropriate for smaller kitchens, even with the handles removed. The nonstick coating tends to stain easily at high temperatures, especially when searing meat. If you're in the market for a smaller cooktop, it may be best to consider a stovetop model like the all-clad HA1 square griddle. That said, the grease management on the Presto 22-inch works much better than a stovetop model, so if you're a fan of extra crispy bacon, this might be just a griddle for you. For turning out classic breakfast foods with ease and edge-to-edge consistency, the Presto Ceramic 22-inch was hard to beat. This extra-large 22-inch griddle makes enough food for the entire family and still stores neatly in the kitchen cabinet. A special textured ceramic cooking surface provides enhanced nonstick performance and easier cleaning for breakfast, lunch, dinner, and entertaining. Removable handles make it simple to clean and compact to store. Simply open the latch clips to detach handles from base. With the handles removed, the griddle stores efficiently in most standard 18-inch kitchen cabinets. Control Master Heat Control automatically maintains the desired cooking temperature. The heavy cast aluminum griddle is virtually war-proof. Number 3. Nordic Ware 2-burner. The Nordic Ware 2-burner griddle is a solid addition to any kitchen. This aluminum sheet is coated with an effective nonstick surface that makes cooking for big groups a breeze. Since the heat comes from whatever heat source it's placed on, it has no moving parts, meaning nothing can break or malfunction. I cook nearly everything on this griddle, from traditional scrambled eggs and bacon to glazed pork tenderloins. I even made brown butter chocolate chip cookies on it, our tester said. It's simple to clean, and the nonstick has continued to work well for over a year of heavy use in the kitchen. Our main complaint with the Nordic Ware is that it lacks any grease management, like most stovetop griddles, and the shallow edges can make draining the griddle a bit precarious. It wouldn't be our first choice for cooking fattier bacon. The heat distribution can vary greatly from corner to center when placed over 2 burners, but we found it very effective in an oven or over an open flame. Though it's designed to be used over 2 burners, this griddle is too short to span the distance on most stoves. The handles are minimalist, making it challenging and hot to grab, especially out of a fire. Despite these limitations, the Nordic Ware proves its worth over and over with its versatility. For a stovetop option with higher edges, check out the Our Place Griddle Pan, which has much higher edges for easier transport. Number 4. Presto Tilt and Drain. The Presto Tilt and Drain's name says it all. With a simple outward pull on the handles, the cooktop tilts forward and uses gravity to conveniently drain excess grease. The heat distribution of this cooktop is excellent for its size, and its non-toxic, non-stick surface releases delicate foods with ease at all temperatures. When cooking for a crowd, we appreciated the ample space of the Tilt and Drain, which offers a whopping 277.5 square inches of cooking space, with plenty of room for cooking a whole meal at once. I was able to verify this griddle's claim of handling 12 slices of French toast at once, and they were tasty, our tester noted. Though we love this model for cooking for big groups, the grease drains into the removable catch through a channel that tends to make a mess in a hard-to-reach spot. This can be solved by immersing the whole griddle in the sink, which can be done after removing the electrical cable. While heat is fairly evenly distributed across the cooktop, the edges of the griddle tend to be quite a bit cooler than the center, directly over the heating element, which can cause minor cooking inconsistencies. We observe better heat uniformity in more affordable options like the Dash Everyday Griddle. That being said, this behemoth is a lifesaver when you have many hungry mouths to feed. This supersized griddle is great for any meal. It can cook up to 50% more food than other jumbo griddles. Premium non-stick surface for stick-free cooking and easy cleaning. Slide-out drip tray empties easily. Fully submersible with the heat control removed. Control Master Heat Control maintains proper cooking temperature automatically. Huge cooking surface. Cooks as many as 12 slices of French toast at one time. Number 5. Our Place Griddle Pan. The Our Place Griddle Pan is an attractive addition to any well-equipped kitchen. This versatile griddle pan can go seamlessly from the stovetop to the oven to the centerpiece of the dinner table. We wanted to cook everything in this pan, from your standard breakfast staples to pork tenderloin and roasted vegetables, to shrimp fajitas and chocolate chip cookies. We were impressed by the durability of the ceramic nonstick throughout the testing period, which showed essentially no signs of wear. Perhaps our favorite element of this pan was our reduction in dishes. It can go from stovetop sauté to the oven to the dinner table seamlessly, and it's mostly a breeze to clean at the end of the night. While there's little to not love about the Our Place Griddle Pan, all of that quality does come with a price. It costs more than other stovetop options. We wished it came with a matching crisping rack, which would completely solve our qualms about grease management, though you can buy it separately. The large size can be just a bit cumbersome for hand washing in small sinks, and it's not recommended to wash it in the dishwasher. Overall, given how well this pan works and how often we reached for it, we consider it well worth the cost. If you want a stovetop option that's more affordable, you can't go wrong with the Nordic Ware 2-burner griddle. And there you have it, the 5 best griddles of 2026. But here's the thing, the top pick won't be the best for everyone. Your cooking style, your space, your budget, it all matters. So drop a comment below, which griddle are you planning to buy? And if you found this helpful, smash that like button, share this with someone who's griddle shopping, and subscribe so you never miss another review.